Slovenia.
S.
Wrong! That's the bird. Why I have a feeling na walang mananalo sa game na to?
Prague!
No, wrong!
Ayan,
Yes!
Pritil!
Wrong! That's the word! Yes! Tundo? No!
Wala.
And the correct answer is...
Ljubljana.
Ay, putang ina, alam ko yun eh. Alam ko yun eh. Sa dulo na ng dila ko yun eh.
Ay, gusto mo pagkabaawa ka sa kanya? Yung madali naman?
Ay, so kayo lang ang nag-enjoy?
Oh, next.
That's the bird. Okay, next question.
Next question. In music.
Yes. Music.
In music. The best-selling female artist of all time. Yes!
Mariah Carey.
Yes, you're correct!
Kaya mo, dito ka lang. Dito
Ay,
ka lang.
hindi ba si Anita Linda?
Second step.
Actually, si Perla Bautista.
Game.
Yes.
Putang ina oh.
Next question.
In world politics,
World politics?
Kamukha ni Maribit Bechara talaga.
who is the president of South Africa?
Ano ulit?
The President of South Africa.
Mandela?
Hanggang ngayon, siya pa rin ba?
Mandela.
Siyempre.
His first name is Nelson Mandela.
Oh,
yeah, Nelson Mandela.
Uy, alalulong ka naman, wala kang kwentang ka-partner. Gusto lang hinahawakan ko
Eh, coach mo naman ako.
Gusto mo?
Gusto ko lang hinawa kung may itlog.
Akala ko si Jeff Padel.
In arts, the painter who painted the Sistine Chapel.
Manny Reyes?
Yes.
Leonardo da Vinci.
No.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
No.
Binti Gallardo.
Anong tanong ulit?
The painter.
Oh.
Kapi ang utak.
Hindi, alam mo, marunong si Lord kasi ganyan ang itsura, dapat matalino yan.
Naunguna si Kuya kasi malapit na siyang i-grenade.
Next question.
Next question.
Name one of the 7 summits.
Hey! Mineral water!
Mount Everest.
Puro mali yung sa akin.
Magica. Yes. Bakla din yan. Ay, bakla.
Uy, turuan niyo naman ako.
Wala lang sa kaputang.
May paturo tayo sa
Laka.
Next question.
Wala ka mo rin ako. Oh, ayan. Oh my God. Pag nasagot to ni Ace, I think sila naman nanalo.
Hindi pa, nandito yan oh. Ang ganda nga naman ng host. Tingnan mo yan oh.
Hanggang dyan lang.
Oo.
Hindi kasi,
Jackpot round ni Jenny.
Okay, go.
yung nakarating na dito, ito na talaga yung tsupa. Shit, kailangan mo eh. Daddy, okay, we will take a break from the contest and ano tayo, casual interview.
Casual interview.
Daddy, I wanna know, may nakatsupa na ba sa'yo?
Wala pa, wala.
Pito.
Ulod, gato, mga adik yun.
Pitong adik.
Ang tuta, hindi tao kuya, ha? Tuta. Alright.
Question.
Okay. Oh, tapos na yung commercial break. Next question. Go on. May mic naman siya. Malapit pa sa mic na isa.
Adik.
Question.
Lawyer na, tataka-taka naman. Ano yung hawak mo, popsicle?
Hoy! Wala bang tanong?
Next question.
How long is the North Luzon Expressway?
Oh, yes.
98.
No, wrong. Is it not a reason to it? It's all about it. It's just the way the seasons. It's what we can do. Our is a virtue, but I won't hesitate no more. No more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your mind and up your mind and just break free. If you know all I will find yours. So please don't go. It's short. Please don't find me. I'm yours.
Boom! Sa ka nga, birthday na ako. Ayun, lately mo na.
Sorry.
It's okay. Buti nga kinagta mo eh.
No.
Miss Panama!
caballero. Me llamo y necesito marido, me representante de la nación. Panamá, Panamá. Ah! Punyeta!
Thank you very much. Yes, Panama. Now we are bringing you a candidate from a country torn by war, yet still very beautiful. Miss Lebanon. Ay, ganda.
If you're alone and nobody's at home, go to your bedroom and finger your own Lebanon.
Thank you so much, Miss Lebanon. And now, of course, let's all welcome from Pharaohs and Pyramids. Ano? Basta doon.
Ayan si Vice ganda ha.
Ano ba yan? Dugtungan mo.
Si Vice.
From Pharaohs and Pyramids.
From the land.
Ayun!
Yon, ganon.
Ulitin mo!
From the land of Pharaohs and Pyramids, let's all welcome Miss Egypt. Ay, guwapo.
Kamukha ni Halle Berry.
Yeah.
Kaya lang may halitosis.
Lumabas ka! Ano ka ba? Lumabas ka! Ano ka ba?
Beep, beep, beep. May chumuchupa sa jeep. Egypt!
Thank you so much, Miss. And now we are bringing you our candidate from the most technologically advanced country in the world. Everybody, this is Miss Japan!
Japan negra.
Ang itim, Miss Japan. Global warming nga kasi.
Init dito.
Bagal maglakad.
Eh kasi nga, saka.
Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Genki desu ka? Suko shizake o chinchin taberu? My name is Pukiko Maikuto Kipaiku Wasak na Kikiko Amuyin mo from Tarugo Kinilalang Japan!
Thank you so much. Kamukha niyo si Bob Marley.
Saka kabaonggoy.
Emperador, Labrador, Ecuador. Tingnan mo.
China!
Pamilated ka pa. Ano naman? Oh, yeah. Bulag ka makita kasi ganun. Bulag.
Sino yan?
Tipo.
Meow ma! Kongay fuck you! Ako may lola kanya na malaki na susuwilaw now! Pati lolo malaki ni bayat kinlaylay! Hi! Sit nang sa sigola chet pui couch. Kibay ko may kiamoy, utong ko may champoy! May SARS ka, may melamine pa! Tangina ka! China!
Thank you so much. Japan Eastern University. She's taking up mass communications, majoring in broadcast journalism. Ladies and gentlemen, a candidate that was found raped at Recto 3 days ago. Please welcome Miss Philippines.
Applause.
Miss Philippines. Please. We want to show the nipples there. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Philippines. With chest hair.
Miss Philippines is a lookalike of Lito Camo.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Babay Inigis, nagmula po sa bundukin ng Kapis. Kangahurado, mag-ingat sa pagpili ng tunay na maganda at magaling dahil ang aking lolang mababarang at aking inang makukulam ay pao na sa mga likuran. Maraming salamat po. Ang inyong pong lingkod may buntot sa likod. At naniniwala po ko sa kasabihang ang puking maluwag, punong-puno ng kaba. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Miss Philippines. Baka makapag ka. Kamukha niya sa Simpsons.
Amoy Bombay. May pula sa gitna ng kilay. My name is Dimasa Ace, candidate number 56. And I am representing the pahulugan pautangan ng kumot ko lang bong kurtina. Uutang ka ba, India?
Thank you so much, Miss India. And our next candidate, of course. Sige, why not? I don't know the country personally.
From the beautiful Latin American nation, Chile!
Ang dami naman tegang sumasali. Hawig ni Rihanna. Oh, Rihanna.
Chile.
Gago. Panikot ka ulit. Jellyfish. Next candidate. Ayos eh.
Oo.
Ay, ito din. Ay, basura.
Hakutan ba kayo ng basura, ate? O, basura. Ito yung basura, o ba't di mo ilagay sa garbage plastic?
Okay, ihiwalay natin sila ng konti.
Paano?
Ihiwalay natin yung nabubulok sa hindi nabubulok.
Bukake.
Utang ina mo, doon ka. Hawa sila. Sasali-sali ka pa.
Kasi,
Okay, step forward, candidate number 1.
Step backward, candidate number 5.
Keep away.
kawawa naman yun.
Alright. Candidate number 1, you seem to be among the most confident of the contestants, so I'm giving you a choice. Would you like an easy or a difficult question?
Of course, I want a difficult question. I want to impress not only my fellow candidates, but the audience as well, most especially the guy who sang a while ago, who happens to be a lawyer.
Alright, so,
Gusto magpa-impress.
alright, since you'd like to impress a guy who's a lawyer, define to him forensic anthropology.
Ano daw?
Utang ina mo, ha?
Forensic anthropology. Ang hirap nun. Oh my God.
The question is, is, choose among the parentheses. Ladies and gentlemen, the question is, define what is forensic exam. Ladies and gentlemen,
It's forensic anthropology.
Oh,
Forensic
forensic-
exam is actually similar but quite different from a forensic
Similar but quite
anthropology.
different.
forensic anthropology, ladies and gentlemen, okay, they say that the golden idea is much more essential than a silver tongue. So I will answer the question as briefly and as sensible as I can because the more I talk, the more I commit mistakes. I'd rather not to answer the question. Thank you.
Ano yun?